In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a carousel slider in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, open the design that contains the images or slides you want to use for your carousel. Make sure your design includes multiple pages because each page will act as one slide in the carousel. Next, click the Share button at the top right corner of the editor. In the Share menu, click the three dots to open more options, then find and select the Embed option. After that, choose the Smart Embed link if you are using a Canva website and copy the link that appears. Now go to your Canva website editor and open the page where you want to place the carousel. Click Apps in the side panel and select the Embed option. Paste the Smart Embed link you copied and add it to your design. Your carousel slider will now appear on your website and visitors will be able to scroll through the slides. If you are using another website platform like WordPress or Wix, you can instead copy the HTML embed code from Canva and paste it into an HTML embed section on your website. That is how you make a carousel slider in Canva.